Lesson 2N Properties of Covalent Compounds. Recall that covalent compounds are created when two or more nonmetal atoms share electrons to complete their valence shells. This means atoms from the right side of the periodic table exclusively. Carbon dioxide is an example of where one carbon shares electrons with two oxygens so that each atom has a complete set of 8 electrons in their valence shell. Becoming stable by filling out their valence shell is called the octet law. Unlike ionic compounds, where the ions show repeated attraction to other ions, covalent compounds are composed of exactly the type and number of atoms that are listed in the compound formula. For CO2, that's one carbon joined to two oxygens with no repeat. This structure is called a molecule. Only covalent compounds create molecules, while ionic compounds create crystal lattice structures. The attraction between atoms is strong. However, the force of attraction between the molecules is fairly weak. This means that we find most molecules moving independently from other molecules. When molecular compounds are placed in water, the individual molecules will separate from one another, but the individual atoms will not. This makes them poor conductors of electricity, because when they move around in the water, it does not result in moving charges, as they are neutral. To create electricity, we need moving charges. Covalent compounds are often found as solids, liquids, and gases, whereas ionic compounds are always solids at room temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure.